some point, I started getting perceived as a grown-up. Yeah, it snuck up on me. I remember days on the back of the school.
So for breakfast, I ordered the japchae that comes with some veggie and also some beef, yogurt, fruit platter, and a bottle of water. While B ordered the nasi lemak rendang. And then this is me having the first bite of the japchae while busy looking at what B is having. It tasted kind of weird. It's edible, but not the best food, I would say. To compensate for breakfast, I had the cheese mochi stick that I got from Paris Baguette. It's a fun little snack because it's chewy, salty, and also a little cheesy. It's an interesting snack, I would say. Bye bye. First stop, we are getting some wanton noodles. I got the wanton noodle and he got the beef brisket noodles. So yeah, let's eat. I'm very hungry now. I saw some very cute cards. You can actually open up. Yeah.
Hello.
We are going to meet our friends for dinner and we are looking for the exit now. Okay. This is 北风糖培 some thick finger, and then this is skolo yolk, so it's like fried pork with some sauce, some sour sauce, and this is chili and pavo, it's pepper sauce and prawn. To East Coast Boardwalk. It's like a walkway by the seaside, and then we just chilled with our friends, had like a very long conversation, catching up on our lives, and yeah, we just sit by there and talk for a very long time. And now we are going to the train station to go back to our hotels, and yeah, they're going back home. So it's a very nice place. Let me show you. So it was all the way back there. There were some sporting equipment, some benches, some people walk their dogs, and then now there are more seats here. I would say it's quite a nice place. So I would recommend this place. It's a very nice place for like a late night activity. I saw people buying beers, just sit down having chats, or you can buy coffee too. and just chill with your partner, with your friends, with your family. That's all for the night. We shall go back and rest and see what happens tomorrow. Today is day 2 in Hong Kong, and this is the view from our hotel. Yeah, we get to see a bit of the people, the bus, and the streets. I woke up and got ready, so let's head out to grab some quick bites and see what's the agenda for day 2. We are now on the streets going to get our quick bites. We got our quick bites, which is some dim sum. So let's go. So we came a day earlier and our family is here now. We picked them up and checked them into the hotel. So now we are going to get lunch. Yeah, we're thinking about Australian Dairy Company, but let's see if they have any seats favorite Napoleon chutneys. Yeah.
Honestly, I can't believe 2,000 babies aren't the babies anymore. I'm getting older, but who's really keeping score? It's all a numbers game, 'cause I still feel the same. The only thing that's changed is that I've lived a few extra days.
这是隐藏款，
是最多2多了。
我想的是3个眼睛。
说还有2种2个3个眼睛。
这个不是3个眼睛哦，这个是纸来的哦。说还有4种看。
对不起，
很成熟的这个。
我以为是眼睛。
说有没拿？可以想象夏天就
这边差不多 OK。
这一块从。
I didn't get to vlog a lot today because we were walking a lot and my phone ran out of battery. But we are back at the hotel now and it's almost midnight. Tomorrow we have a very early flight to catch. So I'm just packing up things and having my last dessert before I leave Hong Kong. After that, I'll head to sleep soon. This is what I'm having. It's a black sesame bean curd. It's not bad actually. So I'll enjoy this and continue packing.
What are you doing? Hey, what's this?
它有那个 USB port.
然后你电话
And then you can like put your cable and then you can charge your phone here.